In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with teams in Confluence. Let's get started right from your Confluence home. Open your Confluence site in a browser and sign in. You'll land on the home page, which is your jumping off point for everything your team creates and shares. Next, head to the top navigation bar and click Spaces. Think of a space as a dedicated workspace for a project, department, or initiative. It keeps pages, files, and conversations organized in one place so teams can find what they need quickly. From here, choose Create a Space. If you'd like a head start with structure and sample pages, choose a template. Templates are especially handy for common workflows like project documentation, meeting notes, or product requirements, helping your team align on consistent layouts and best practices. Now give your space a clear, memorable name and click Create. A concise naming convention like team or project plus purpose makes it easier for everyone to search and recognize. You can also add a short description so teammates immediately understand what belongs here. Before you dive into content, open space settings from the sidebar. This is where you invite teammates and assign who can view or edit. Set permissions thoughtfully. Grant edit access to core collaborators and view access to stakeholders who just need to stay informed. If your organization uses groups, leverage them for faster, consistent access control. To start collaborating on content, open any page and click Edit, the pencil icon in the top right. You're now in the editor. Add headings, sections, images, and tables to structure your page clearly. Short paragraphs and descriptive headings help teammates scan and contribute efficiently. Invite your teammates to open the same page at the same time to co-edit in real time. When everyone works together on one source of truth, you'll see each person's cursor and changes as they happen, reducing back and forth and version conflicts. Agree on quick editing norms like who owns a section, so collaboration stays smooth. When you're done, click Publish on a new page or Update if you're revising an existing one in the top right corner. This saves and shares the collective changes. Confluence keeps a version history so you can always review or revert if needed. Adding a short summary to your update helps others understand what changed. Finally, use mentions to bring the right people into the conversation. Type the @ symbol followed by a teammate's name anywhere in the page or in a comment to notify them instantly. Be specific about what you need, like feedback on a section or a due date, to keep momentum high. And that's it. Your team is set up for clear real time collaboration in Confluence.